Hello guys! So, i-unbox natin yung parcel ko na sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako dito. Kaya i-share ko sa inyo sa mga Filipino na dito na gusto nyo lang na pang pa-blooming. Wow, just pang pa-blooming. Lalo na pag nagkakaedad-edad na tayo. And ito ang Kiperin Hydrolyzed Collagen Peptides. Which is, ang ganda nito. This is my second order. Nagustuhan ko siya. Maganda siya for your nails, skin, hair, and joints. Lalo na yung may mga, sa bones, ganyan. Maganda siya. And then, yan, tcharan! Ito. May kasama siyang manibang. Tcharan! And look at that. May free pa silang mask. And ito, yay! When I was in Philippines, ang iniinom ko was Musbio Placenta Collagen Plus. Pag nakaluwag-luwag. Pero pag medyo yung kulang tayo sa budget, yung IV, yung dalawa lang talaga yung ganda. Hindi ito, sponsor, and sinishare ko lang. So, 500 grams siya, it can go for 50 servings. Ang maganda dito. And ayan, so umalis na yung So it's easy to drink, guys. Ano lang siya, you can mix with your juice, your coffee, and you can put it in the water. And soup also. Yeah, I tried it with the soup. It's very nice. And ang ganda niya kasi hindi ito replacement for food. Food replacement, okay? So for me lang, if you want to lose weight, for me, ginagawa ko, umiinom ako with my coffee. Naglalagay ko ng 2 scoops, pero hindi siya. Dapat 1 scoop lang pala. Kaya hindi umabot ng 50 servings yung sa akin. Hindi siya umabot ng 50 days. And, iniinom ko siya ng morning, like 9 or 10. And next kain ko is around 3 o'clock na. Kasi, hindi ako nagugutom. Kaya feeling ko full ako. Ang ganda niyan. Ayan, may seal siya, guys. To make sure it's legit. So, buksan natin. Ayan. And, go down. Go down. May basil seeds pa siya. You can plant it. May... Trying to be a content creator. You're trying to be a content creator, but you are a mom of 3 and 2 toddlers. Okay. So that's all, guys. This is not a sponsor, guys. I just like to share with you. Wow. Kasi ibang mabigat na. Ito yung pinatungan ko ng cellphone. I can't carry it. Heavy na. So that's all. Bye!